The sound I. To make the I sound, lower your jaw slightly. The lips are relaxed and are about 1/4 inch apart. The sound is short. As you make this sound, look in a mirror and compare the shape of your lips with those in the diagram on page 7. Repeat the examples.
If, in, big, miss, build, gym.
Symbol, pretty, English, sieve, busy, women.
Practice for mastery. Repeat the following sentences.
Jim is in the picture. Miss Smith is thin. Bring chicken for dinner. Listen to this ridiculous list. The pretty women are busy in the gym.